Hey everyone, my name is Jennifer. I am a speech therapist who has been working with the elderly population for about 8 years in skilled nursing facilities. In this ever-changing world where insurance limitations are becoming more and more strict, I started to realize that many of my patients were having to return home way too soon, forcing family members into becoming primary caregivers. So I decided I wanted to help. I quickly realized that treating my patients was merely scratching the surface when it came to their overall quality of life. Without their friends and family understanding how to take care of them at home, my patients would ultimately find themselves back in the hospital with a dispirited family by their side. So, for all of you caregivers out there, this channel was created to empower you with the information you need and encourage you through ideas and training so that your loved one succeeds at home and you can pat yourself on the back knowing you have what it takes to be a loving and supportive caregiver. I collaborate with other physical and occupational therapists and share my recommendations for quality and useful items you may need at home. You will find yourself engulfed in helpful information as well as simple yet practical activities and techniques that help to improve both brain and swallow function. So, whether it's memory issues, trouble communicating, difficulty swallowing, or anything in between, I'll help you crack the code. Please subscribe to my channel today and be sure to sign up for notifications by hitting the bell symbol. Also, kindly share this information with anyone that may need a helping hand, so we can all get cracking.